welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to do myself a little bit of a flower painting. I want to do a swipe background first. I got to do show and tell though. Last painting I did, probably 2 videos ago, I had glitter included in this painting and we were curious, is it going to work or not? There is glitter showing, but not nearly like I thought it would. So I'm probably going to add some more glitter on this one and see if it does anything. But this one is like the stained glass kind of effect. It's got lots of drizzle paint, then you swipe it, then you give it a spin and a little bit of a wreck. This one's going to be just swiping the canvas and then doing my flower thing. So we'll see if the glitter will work on this one. I've got white acrylic already down there. It's 50% acrylic Saks titanium white paint with 50% Floetrol. No water and no silicone added in here. My paints are pretty much Arteza with the exception of the neon colors. And those are, all my paints are 50% acrylic, 50% Floetrol, a little bit of water added. We're talking a tablespoon maybe, depending on the thickness of the paint when I mix it up. So there you go, there's a quick showdown of what the paints are mixed with. And let's just do this. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. Love the thumbs up. Helps me grow my channel. Please keep those coming as well as the comments. I just can't thank you guys enough. Okay, let's do this painting. I'm going to do a little bit of swiping. And hopefully Greg will throw some music on. And you guys can relax and watch this painting come to life. How's that sound? Sounds good to me. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to do first gold, which is, I should show it again. This is the gold I'm talking about. It's Folk Art Extreme Glitter Acrylic Paint. Comes in a turquoise and a gold is what I have. I'm going to try the gold on the base of this painting and see when it dries if it gives it any bling. There might have just been too much acrylic paint used in this to just have it all blend in. So hopefully it'll work on this one. Okay. Here we go. we go. Let's see if this glitter for the background is going to bring this flower painting to life. There we go. Quick little fluid art for you. Beautiful flowers. Hoping for spring to arrive soon. I hope you enjoyed that. Please stick around. Watch another video. I'm sure Greg will be putting one up right now for you to click on. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. Thanks, everyone.